Welcome, welcome.
You're supposed to wait. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to the channel.
Austin and Carolina. Carolina and Austin.
Carolina and Austin.
And
she doesn't want to go.
And Clementine. Oh.
The new member of the family. She is driving us crazy because we love her.
Yes. Here's the close-up.
Baby, say hi. Say hi. So Austin and Carolina coming at you. No, not from Scotland. Not from Scotland.
Not from Scotland.
Our last vlog was in Inverness, which was in May, the end of May.
Beautiful place.
But no, Austin and Carolina are coming at you from the desert.
Texas, baby.
Texas, USA. So, life update number 1. We moved from the UK to
Dallas, Texas. Life update number 2. We are now responsible parents.
We're responsible parents of child number 1. Child number 2 is already on the way.
Child number 2 has been born, and we hope to get them soon.
For everybody that doesn't know what's going on, we're talking about cats. We do not have any human children. We don't want any human children.
I thought that was very clear. I thought that was very clear.
Don't start commenting on Austin's Instagram. Oh my god, so excited you're having a kid. No. For babies only in this household.
That's it. No.
So, life update number 3 is that we live in a house.
Oh, we have a nice house
We have a nice
now.
house.
Yes.
To clarify, we did not buy the house, we're renting the house.
Clementine.
Life update number 3 will be the bulk of this video, which is going to be a house tour.
House tour. We're so excited. We do love the place. Absolutely love it.
Yeah.
And we've been working as hard as we can to get furniture in here. Furniture that we like, that looks nice. You know, we feel like adults now.
Yep.
So we're trying to get furniture that matches. Unfortunately, neither of us have an eye for design. So what you see behind us is kind of our first attempt. This was my attempt 2 days ago. I went by myself. I got all of this stuff at once.
We would like to clarify that the house is not, and I mean not underlined, finished. This is like the bare minimum that we've done. We don't really have any decor or anything like that. We pretty much just got the furniture that we needed. We've had so many things, and I mean so many things going on.
So
yeah.
We are very much working on it, but we'd love to show you the place. We absolutely love it. We've got enough stuff to live on, and we are very happy in this house. It's a great place.
Without further ado, house tour incoming. Welcome to our house! So, the first thing that you see when you come into the house is the living room. So obviously, most of the living room is the couch. Because we wanted a big couch. We didn't have a big couch for 3 years, so we needed a big couch. We actually got this one off Facebook.
Good find, good find.
So this is, by the way, this is house tour furniture on a budget. Because we want to recycle, and also because why not?
But also, when you're moving to a new house with nothing in it, and you've lived in a different country, you have nothing.
You have nothing.
Nothing. So furnishing a whole house, brand new stuff, it's crazy.
Exactly. So then we have our
Oh, what a
coffee
find.
table, which we actually found literally on the street from one of our neighbors.
It's like 4 doors down.
So it's beautiful. We do want to do some upcycling to this. Like we want to sand it. Maybe we want to have it a different color. But yeah. And then we have this small little table next to the couch, which Austin found, which he wanted mostly for like water or his glasses or something like that. Where's this from?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Okay, this was my doing. I told you I picked this up at Ross 2 days ago. Beautiful, beautiful Highland cow. Look at him.
Scotland.
Oh yeah. Makes us remember our trips. a couple of beautiful fake plants that we will not kill, and then this was from the grocery store. And then welcome to the kitchen. It is huge for what we are used to. This big beautiful island in the middle. How nice is that? Yeah, we just love this place. A couple of sinks, storage everywhere. And again, I'm comparing this to what we used to live like in the UK, and it's a huge change. The only difference that I don't like is in the US, gas stoves are hard to come by, so we're back to electric stoves, which do not make me very happy because cooking on gas is a luxury. And then our fridge, take a look inside. This is MTV's Cribs salsa, delicious salsa from the Mexican grocery store. That has been doing a number on my stomach, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. Protein shake.
Thank you for the information.
Sauces, juices, eggs. We're a bit low.
Welcome to our dining room. We have this beautiful, beautiful table, which again, we got off Facebook. A lady was getting rid of it. Her house was beautiful, by the way. And so we got it, and it's in pretty much prime condition. It really fits the vibe. It fits the floors. We just love it. And now one of my favorite rooms in the house, which is the master bedroom. Come look at how cozy it is. So one of the reasons we have this bed is because I love feeling cozy and I love feeling tucked in. So we got this bed with these beautiful covers, sheets, whatever you want to call them, which you can close or leave open, but it just gives that feeling of being closed up. And then we added these fairy lights, which we still need to hang up properly. Don't come for us. This is just a quick temporary fix, but it just really adds to the vibe of the room. I love it. And here we have the master bathroom, which is honestly humongous. It's so big. Absolutely love it. We have double vanity. Not that we actually get ready here together. I did take up this bathroom. I do have a lot of products, which I keep in this bathroom. So Austin gets the small one, but he's always welcome here. So we have the double vanity, we have a huge mirror, we have a tub.
Big tub.
Big tub. And we also have a small shower in that corner. And then if you continue here, we have the master closet, which is pretty much an apartment itself. Like you could live in here. And as you can see, yeah.
This very useful shelving up there. Here, hold the camera and show them how high that is compared to me. Okay, sure, I can reach this. I can reach this. I can reach that. Who, in what world is that useful? Okay, now this is the only, or like the last room that's actually kind of furnished. This one's completely empty, but this is Carolina's Zen yoga room. Was supposed to kind of be a reading room, but we need to get that set up still. We need a chair and a bookshelf and stuff like that. But right now it's quite huge. Come on in. So yeah, so we have the essentials for like a nice little Zen room. We got the yoga mat, acupuncture mat, foam roller, back stretcher. We have a diffuser down here, some of her books, a little yoga ball, and then we also have, we're a big fan of the Christmas lights, the fairy lights. So some more lights here, which especially when it's dark, when she usually does her yoga, it's very nice. And over here, we have some really nice lights. However, Clementine did destroy the piece that actually gets plugged into the wall, and it's no longer functioning.
Now, if you follow Austin on Instagram, you will probably have seen this backdrop, because we have had this not since Bristol, not since London, but since Austin. So Austin and I met in Austin, Texas, where we went to college, and we got this in our first apartment, and then we took it to London, and then we took it to Bristol, and now we're in Dallas. So it's a world traveler! The final room, which is literally empty, I think there's just boxes or suitcases, which will eventually be a guest room. We want to have some kind of bed couch.
Oh, some boxes. Well, it's cold in here. Yes, but this should be a guest bedroom for anybody that wants to come stay. But obviously low on priority list. Look at you two. Star stunners. To the office. We don't really know what exactly this space is supposed to be. So if you want to look over here, so this is the office, but then there's also the office. So we don't know how to fully functionally use this space. We're thinking of turning it into a little filming studio for both of us, but also we have room in here to film. Because this is a really long room, we've got both of our desks here, so we're thinking of turning this into a filming spot and also this room into a filming spot, just so we have some options and things like that. Yes, this is the office, a little bit cluttered. We need some storage options here, but like we said earlier, this is just, bare stuff that we've got here, just so we can work, so we can live, and we're doing good.
One of the best things we've gotten since moving here is
Susie,
our Roomba, our vacuum. We love her. Cat hair. So that is the finished house tour. As we've said many times, it is not finished. It's literally the minimum that we've managed to get together. We got the furniture from many, many different places and over a couple of weeks. And yeah, I guess let us know if you like it. Let us know any recommendations, advice that you have for the house, or if you have any ideas. And hopefully we'll be back with some more updates on the house, on life. Happy family. Hopefully you enjoyed.
Say goodbye, Clementine.